Welcome to the Cruiser Motorcycles channel. Today, we will explain in detail about the 10 best new production scooters of 2025. 2025 Honda Forza 750. MSRP, $10,999. Engine, 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power, 58 horsepower. Torque, 69 Newton meters. Transmission, dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Seat height, 790 millimeters. Weight, 235 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 13.2 liters. Features, TFT display, keyless ignition, electronic suspension adjustment, smartphone connectivity. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, modern, sleek lines with a touring focus. Target audience, commuters and touring riders who want comfort, performance, and advanced tech. 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. MSRP, $12,599. Engine, 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power, 58 horsepower. Torque, 69 Newton meters. Transmission, dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Seat height, 820 millimeters. Weight, 236 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 13.1 liters. Features, adventure-ready with traction control, off-road tires, adjustable suspension, integrated storage. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, long travel suspension with adjustable front and rear. Design, rugged, adventure scooter with high-mounted fenders and off-road capable elements. Target audience, adventure seekers and commuters who want a versatile scooter that can handle off-road terrain. 2025 Italjet Dragster 700 Twin. MSRP, $12,799. Engine, 700 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power, 75 horsepower. Torque, 60 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Seat height, 780 millimeters. Weight, 162 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 9.5 liters. Features, high-performance design, exposed frame, aggressive styling, large wheels for stability. Chassis and suspension, aluminum frame, front and rear USD forks with adjustable preload. Design, sporty, futuristic with an exposed frame and aggressive lines. Target audience, performance enthusiasts and riders who want a high-powered, stylish scooter. 2025 Kymco AK Premium 575. MSRP, $7,999. Engine, 575 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled. Power, 45 horsepower. Torque, 47 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT, continuously variable transmission. Seat height, 795 millimeters. Weight, 206 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, traction control, anti-lock braking system, ABS, ergonomic seating, high-quality finish. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, sporty, with a premium, sleek aesthetic for everyday use. Target audience, urban commuters looking for a stylish and practical mid-range scooter. 2025 Yamaha Tmax 560 Tmax. MSRP, $14,199. Engine, 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power, 47 horsepower. Torque, 55 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 800 millimeters. Weight, 220 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 15 liters. Features, adaptive cruise control, TFT display, smartphone connectivity, Yamaha's D mode, rider selectable. Chassis and suspension, aluminum frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, sporty, aggressive lines with a premium finish and excellent aerodynamics. Target audience, tech-savvy riders looking for a sporty and comfortable high-performance scooter. 2025 Sim TTLBT 508. MSRP, $6,599. Engine, 508 cubic centimeters single cylinder, liquid cooled. Power, 40 horsepower. Torque, 40 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 780 millimeters. Weight, 190 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, compact size, modern design, comfortable ergonomics, large under-seat storage. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, minimalist, urban-friendly design with an emphasis on practicality. Target audience, urban commuters and riders looking for an affordable, practical, and stylish scooter. 2025 BMW C400X. MSRP, $8,995. Engine, 350 cubic centimeters single cylinder, liquid cooled. Power, 34 horsepower. Torque, 35 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 775 millimeters. Weight, 204 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, integrated navigation system, Bluetooth, premium suspension, high-quality finishes. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, modern and premium, with BMW signature aesthetics. Target audience, premium urban commuters who want a reliable, comfortable scooter with advanced features. 2025 Suzuki Burgman 400. MSRP, $8,999. Engine, 400 cubic centimeters single cylinder, liquid cooled. Power, 34 horsepower. Torque, 35 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 755 millimeters. Weight, 210 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 13.5 liters. Features, spacious seat, large storage compartments, ABS, comfortable suspension. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, stylish, with a touring focus and ergonomic features. Target audience, riders looking for a comfortable, long-distance capable scooter with ample storage. 2025 BMW C400 GT. MSRP, $9,695. Engine, 350 cubic centimeters single cylinder, liquid cooled. Power, 34 horsepower. Torque, 35 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 775 millimeters. Weight, 206 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, touring-oriented features like heated grips, high windscreen, integrated navigation, and premium suspension. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, front telescopic fork, rear twin shock absorbers. Design, elegant touring design with modern finishes and practical touring elements. Target audience, touring riders who want premium features and comfort for longer rides. 2025 Sim ADX TG400. MSRP, $7,499. Engine, 400 cubic centimeters single cylinder, liquid cooled. Power, 38 horsepower. Torque, 40 Newton meters. Transmission, CVT. Seat height, 820 millimeters. Weight, 195 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, long travel suspension, rugged design for off-road use, large tires, high-mounted front fender. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, long travel suspension with adjustable front and rear. Design, adventure-ready, with a rugged and utilitarian design for versatility. Target audience, adventurous riders who need a scooter that can handle both urban and off-road conditions.